So type Posit Cloud in your search box. Posit, P-O-S-I-T, Posit Cloud. And go with whatever you see as the first one. So again, this is free software. Same underlying package R that we are going to use. If you want to get started, click Get Started. And we'll use the free one, $0. $0 forever. So that's the one we want. So click on that. And it will ask you to sign up for cloud free of cost. You can create an account, or again you can use, if you have Gmail, you can use Google account. I'm going to go with Google. So it will bring you to this screen. You may not see all this here because for you it may be empty if you are using for the first time. Let me know once you are here. Once you are on this screen, we'll go to new project on the right. And the good thing is that once we start using it, everything will be at one place. You may be able to use this on your computer, or if you go to a library, you can use any computer because it is sitting in the cloud. And whatever work you do, it will be saved at one location. I know some of you may not have brought your computer, but okay, good. So click on New Project. If you click on New Project, it gives you some options. Select New RStudio Project, the second one, and New RStudio. So you'll see this screen where it starts to prepare the page. So you come to this screen where there are some windows. I'm going to increase using tools and then global options. I'm just increasing the size, font size, so that everybody can see that more clearly. So maybe 16. And I'll make it dark. Tomorrow night blue, let's see. So apply and OK. This is hard to see. So the bright one was OK? OK. So I'll go back and appearance. This is better? OK. If you go to File and say New File and select R script. Just like in the earlier one we chose R. So here we are selecting R. It can do many other things. You may not need everything in this class, but use the first one. The only thing it will do is, now you have 4 windows. So here you type your instruction, here you get your output. So if I do, for example, 2 plus 2, and then there's a run button, immediately you get answer here. Just like the earlier one where you run an instruction, you get answer. I will remove this.